So this is the dresser that my mom and dad had when I was a little baby, and they've given it to me, and I am going to refinish it and turn it into an entertainment center for my bedroom under our television. So right now we have taken the drawers out and we are sanding it with 60 grit, and that stuff was on there like nobody's business. My goodness, I mean, it is, we've gone over and over this. And by we, I mean my friend. My friend is here with me. She's really smart about this. But okay, and these are the drawers. I've washed them, and they're just over here waiting. We're gonna paint all of it white, and then we're gonna stain the top. So I'll show you later what it looks like. So this is the second coat of paint that we're putting on, and it's the chalk paint. We've mixed in 12 tablespoons of that calcium carbonate into a quart of the Lowe's paint. Is this one done already?
Yes.
Okay, that one's done. So it dries really fast. So we're gonna go and work on the other part of the dresser while we let this dry, and then we're gonna do one more coat. And that'll probably be it. Wait, that one doesn't look like it was done. So I'm gonna do this one. So we cleaned these with the crud cutter first, which took a lot of gunk off.
And we sprayed them.
And then we sprayed them with the clear polyurethane, just a light coat, so that the cherry wood won't bleed through yellow through the paint. Alright.
Okay.
See ya. Alright, so now we've moved this in the house so that we can paint on it, and it has all this cool stuff. Come get a close-up of this. This dental, whatever this is called. And so we're trying to get this, we had to go get a small brush for this. We're still using the chalk paint. Oh, and look at the top, we got it, finally got all that varnish off from 50 years ago. It was varnished for the apocalypse. Okay, so we're doing this. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna put on 2 more coats. And we're gonna sand in between each coat, and it's gonna be cool. I think it shows up better in the picture on just laying down flat. Let me get right here. No,
There's shadows on it. There you go.
Yeah, there we go. So that's the
With
dark
conditioner.
walnut on cherry with conditioner. Well, this one,
And this is without.
and this is without. But did you go over this a couple of times?
Nope,
or no?
just
It was
once.
just the one time.
Yeah, just once.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of light sanding with, what is this, 320. And if you'll notice, I just wanted to show you how I get just a little bit of distressing. Not too much, just a little bit on the edges. Uh-oh, a little too much there. It'll be okay. This is hard to do and hold the camera. Sorry. Here, I'll do just there. Did you see that? How cute that is? Alright. So I finished the dresser. I love it. It's so much lighter and fresher. It really needed an update. It's a really great quality piece of furniture and has served us well for years, but it just needed a little refresh. So here's the dark walnut stain on the top. I got this lamb's ear, cute little thing at Marshall's. Had the candles already. And these, turns out these are the only 2 components that we needed for our television. And so what we may do is we may take out this top middle drawer and fit it with a little shelf and paint it to put that back in there. That's probably what we'll do. Oh, and the little cotton arrangement that I have, it was on it was like on clearance at a Hobby Lobby a year or two ago, and it was in a clear bottle, which wasn't very cute. So I used the rest of this paint and painted that. I've gone vase painting crazy. I've painted another one too. I'm gonna look around the house today and see if there's anything else I need to paint with the leftovers, so I don't have to save that paint. So anyway, it was a really fun project, and I'm gonna start doing this more. I'm gonna start a use it up mentality for me. I'm gonna start using up what we have and making do. And thanks for watching.